This is Dr. Divina Avarilla. Here's one of my quick tips. Hi, my tips for you in finding a good medical spa is that make sure that there's a qualified, board-certified medical practitioner, like doctors, that do the procedures themselves and evaluate you properly. A lot of medical spas out there have really lower prices, and it's not even a doctor doing the procedure itself, so that when there's complications, they don't even know what to do. So it's very important for us to really realize that there's a good medical doctor around just in case something happens. It's not because of the prices only, but you have to really look into what's the qualification of that doctor and what are their skills. I find that the most common mistakes people do is that they look at the prices and see which one is cheaper. And so they'll end up with just somebody trained in the street doing the procedure and then ending up with complications. Most of them I see here in my clinic, and I correct those complications, something we really don't want to have. So when you're looking for a medical spa, please make sure that there's a medical doctor on site that will help you and explain to you everything, and that if there's anything like complications that arise, that doctor is available for you right away. Right now we're doing laser hair reduction. What's doing is that it tries to destroy the hair follicle every time we use the laser, and it helps reduce this hair to grow back. It's done usually every 3 weeks, and there's very minimal pain because we have to put a lidocaine gel on it so that it's not going to be so painful. Now the treatment time varies from one person to another. Some patients are easier to treat. After like 4 or 5 treatments, they're done. Some people takes 10 to 12 treatments. It depends on how much hair they have and what kind of nationality they are. If you're tired of shaving and tired of waxing, then I do suggest that you should do this laser hair removal technique. I do suggest that you should look for a doctor that's really qualified to do laser hair reduction, because you can have the risk and complications of burning the patient, and if so, you should have a doctor around to know how to treat this problem if ever. I also do mesotherapy. Mesotherapy are bunches of injections onto the abdomen or to wherever area you would like to lose fat. Now, it's not a magic procedure. It takes a long time to really reduce all those fats and shrink the fat cells. So normally, about 3 to 4 treatments is needed before you see absolute result. It doesn't really have any downtime to it. It's a very easy procedure. You go home with ice. We try to advise you to avoid any blood thinners or aspirin before the procedure. We do a pre-evaluation and see and weigh you and measure you before the injections. Mesotherapy is not invasive as compared to liposuction. Mesotherapy, although it's very conservative, people prefer it for people with allergies to anesthesia and cannot undergo liposuction. So if you have any fat you want to get rid of and you don't want any surgical procedure which is drastic like liposuction, then you're more than welcome to come in here and be evaluated for possible mesotherapy. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, come visit our website at lybms.com.